Hello children, welcome back to English class again. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Yes, I know it. Okay, be safe children, be safe at home. Okay, now let us start today's English class with the first lesson. Which was the first lesson? It was related to the sports only. It was related to the sports about a famous cricketer who is and who was also known as Jumbo of Indian cricket, and his name is Anil Kumble. Today we shall do the revision about the first chapter. So in previous class, we have learnt that Anil Kumble was born on October 17, 1970 in Bengaluru. He began playing cricket in streets of Baswangudi at Bengaluru. Bengaluru is also our capital, isn't it? Karnataka is our state and Bengaluru is our capital. And later he joined the Young Cricketers Club. He started his first class cricket in 1989. He also qualified his education in mechanical engineering. We have studied mechanical engineering, and Anil Kumble played the test matches in 1990. He played the test matches in 1990. We have studied all this, and he set a record of 10 wickets in single innings while playing with Pakistan. He played against Pakistan. Understood children? I hope you all remember few important points of the chapter. So he is the first Indian cricketer to achieve this. He set a record of achieving 10 wickets in single innings while playing against Pakistan. Understood? And he was also honored by the Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. He was honored with Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. And Karnataka has honored him by naming a roundabout in Bengaluru as Anil Kumble Circle. And before his retirement, he served as a captain. Of Indian Test team. Understood? And right now, he is living in Bengaluru with his wife, and his wife name is Chetana, and he is having 3 kids. Understood, children? I hope you all understood the main points of the lesson, and we have studied about Kabaddi also. Understood? Now it is related, the chapter is more related to the Anil Kumble. So I will move on with the exercise. Page number 4, your check children. Page number 4. Let us understand. The first is, where did Anil first start playing cricket? Where did he start? Anil Kumble first started to play in the streets of Basavana Gudi in Bangalore. And second one, you see children, when did Anil Kumble play his first test match? Anil began playing test matches in 1990. Third one, what awards has the Government of India given him? He was honored with the Arjuna Award and the Padma Shri Award by the Government of India. Where does Anil Kumble live now? Where does he live? In the capital of Karnataka, which is known as Bengaluru. Now let us move to the next bit. Let us talk and enjoy. Discuss with your friends an average day in the life of the sportsman. The timetable, at what time he gets up, how many hours he does the exercise, and how much, whatever it is, how much he will work hard to reach his goal. An average day in the life of sportsman, how hard he will work to reach his goal. What should Second one, you see, what should the food habits of a sports person be? Just you discuss. Understood with your parents, not but because right now it is not possible with your friends, isn't it? So you discuss with your parents only. I hope, according to my point of view, they eat the oil-free food and they keep a strict dieting and maintain their health. Understood, children? I hope you all understood. Here are, look at the pictures and answer the questions orally there. You have to, is Amir boxing? Is Sachin bowling? No, he is batting. Amir is not boxing. Is Anand rowing? No, these are the oral questions. Just to see the pictures and identify, children. Okay? Now, let us move to the next page. And the next page is, let us write the answers to the following in your notebook. Write the answers of the following in your notebook. This activity I want you all to write in the notebook, children, because in the last page it was orally. This is write the answers in your notebook. So you should write in your notebook. See the answers, children, here. Which club did Anil join? Which club did he join? Anil joined the Young Cricketers Club. He joined Young Cricketers Club. What was Anil Kumble studied? What has Anil Kumble studied? Anil Kumble studied mechanical engineering. He studied mechanical engineering. What is the record set by Anil Kumble? Anil Kumble set a new record by taking all 10 wickets in single innings while playing against Pakistan. Let us move to the fourth one now. How has the Karnataka government honored Kumble? Government of Karnataka has honored him by naming roundabout in Bengaluru as the Anil Kumble Circle. Understood, children? I hope you all understood. I hope question answers are clear now. Now let us move to the next bit. That is, do you know these cricketers? They are from Karnataka. We should be proud that so many cricketers are there from Karnataka. Let's see if you can match the names with the pictures. First picture is Shanta Rangaswamy. In your book it is there, you see, children. First one is Shanta Rangaswamy. Second one is Robin Uthappa. Third one is Rahul Dravid. And the last one is Gundappa Vishwanath. I hope you all understood. Have you ever seen these cricketers, children? No, but you can see Rahul Dravid sometimes now. He will be available on TV doing some ads. Understood? Now let us move to the next page, and that is page number 6. See here, they have given some pictures of the indoor and outdoor games. Some games are played inside the building. Others are played outside. For example, chess is played inside, whereas hockey, the national game of India, is played outside. Games that are played inside are called indoor games. Games that are played outside are outdoor games. Now look at the pictures below and complete the table. The table is in the next page, children. The table is in the next page. Page number 7. Whereas the first is the carom. In page number 6, you all see in your reader book, children. First they are playing carom, horse red. Carom is played inside, where the horse red outside. Chess inside. And they are playing kabaddi outside. Here they are swimming here. It is a outdoor also. Swimming is a sport, children. It is not a game. It is a sports. And here karate. It's played outside almost all on the stage performance it is. Now here you see in last video I have uploaded about the action words, about the verbs, because it was related to your lesson here. So I have uploaded it before. It will be easy for you to understand now. Here you see, let us practice the language. Look at the little boy. What is he doing? What action he is doing? He is running. What is he doing? He is running. What is the little girl doing? She is eating. She is eating. Both are doing different actions, and action words are called as verbs. What do these words running and eating tell us? They tell us what the boy and the girl are doing. Running and eating. These words show action. These words show action. Isn't it, children? What are the action words called? They are called as verbs. And as I said you all before, your mother will be doing more activities, more actions daily, isn't it? She works hard. So I said you all to note down about this and write in your notebook, isn't it? Now let us move to the next page, and that is page number 8. Now look at these pictures here. Look at the pictures and write action word for each pictures. These are the examples, children. I have written here few examples. Rani is reading. Somu is batting. The baby is laughing. The woman is driving the bus. Vinay is praying to God. You write your own word, but don't write the same sentence. You write in a different way. Understood, children? I hope you all understood now. Now let us move to the next page. Next page, here you all see, children, they are doing different activities in the picture. The picture is very simple, but you see different activities here. Look at the given picture and describe it. Describing is called as adjective. Adjective. Describing is called as adjective. And describe it in about the 5 sentence using the action words. What all activities you all can see here? Just you write in a sentence below. Just you write in a sentence below. You see here, some are swimming here, some are playing here, isn't it? And some are sitting and eating here, some are chatting there. So many activities you can see here. There is a boy in the red dress. Yes or no? Yes, there is a tall tree. Tall is a describing word here. I will teach you all the adjective in the next class, children. In the next class, I want you all to write about this picture of in your own sentence. Do the own activity. Understood? Now you see, in a short way, I will teach you the summary of, again one time, summary of the lesson about the Jumbo of Indian cricket, whose name is Anil Kumble. Anil Kumble was born on 17th October 1970 in Bengaluru. He began playing cricket in the streets of Baswangudi in Bengaluru, and later he joined the Young Cricketers Club. He started his first class cricket in 1989, and he studied he was qualified in mechanical engineering. He completed his mechanical engineering. Anil began playing test matches in which year? In 1990, and he made a record of all 10 wickets in single innings while playing against Pakistan. He is the first Indian cricketer to achieve this, and he was honored by Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award. And from Karnataka government, he was honored by naming around about in Bengaluru as the Anil Kumble Circle, and he served as the captain of Indian team before he retired. Before he got retired, he served as the captain, and right now he is living in Bengaluru with his wife Chaitana and 3 kids. I hope you all understood the short summary of Anil Kumble. Short information it was like. Understood? Now I want you all to do the activity mentioned in the last page. It will be fun for you all to do this, children. Yes or no? Yes, it will be fun for you all to do this. So I want you all to do this activity. Draw a football pattern in the inner circle of the paper plate. Color the alternate areas black with a crayon. Trace the joining lines as well. Paint the outer circle of the plate red. You can do it in your own color also. Understood? Don't follow. If you are interested, you follow the same color. Otherwise, you all can do your favorite color also. I hope you all understood the lesson, children. Yes, so, and lastly, I want you all to write few sentences about your favorite sports person. About your favorite sports person. Who is your favorite? You paste a picture of the favorite sports person and write the information related to that person in a short summary. Understood, children? I hope all understood. I want you all to complete the classwork, question answers, and which activities you can write. You can write in the reader. You can write, children, which are not available. Space is not there. You write in the notebook. Okay, almost all excluding question answers, everything you can complete in the reader book only. Yes or no? Yes. I hope you all understood. Meet you in the next class, children. Thank you. Bye.